thank you.
God.
Okay. I'm sorry. Okay, ready? Okay, don't laugh at me. Hurry up. Stop! Concentrate! You stupid little girl! You stupid little girl! Get your little butt up now. Ow! Do this. Ow! Ow! You're not helping me. You know, I don't want to help you. Help me! Too fast. You know what? I'm getting you. You know what? You want to do this? You know what? What? I keep retarding me. I'll do this. What? Oh, you said my boo! My boo! You always
Okay.
Get up. Freddy will help you. Freddy, you suck, you son of a dung. Don't say that. He's not going to raise your arms. Oh my God, I hate you, Freddy. Jeez. Oh, Freddy's my grandma's name. What am I saying? Shut up. Okay. Really hurt.
Oh my gosh, you guys.
You can't do this. Get me up. Lonnie, do you want to do this?
No.
Hurry up. Shut up. Okay, then just say bye to Freddy. Bye, Freddy. Okay. Then I'll do Dead Man. How's that? Oh, Freddy's right behind you. Shut up. Okay. Holy shit. I'm going to do Dead Man. Shut up.
You're so abusive, Amber.
You're going to send me to the hospital. My mom's not going to want me to stay over your house anymore. Okay, ready? Okay, Freddy, you just stay right there.
You guys, your cord is almost out.
Okay, one more time. Okay.